Oh shit. You been good?
Yeah.
Got Kobe with us today. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Alright. Make sure these doors are shut. Driver door ajar. Alright. About 3:30.
Yep.
I'll go head out and go pick up Keegan. See you there. Sheesh! Alright, boys.
Yep.
Goose hunting this morning. It's 3:40 right about now. Pulling up to Keegan's house. He's standing there like a weirdo. Like a fucking statue. Oh. What are you doing, soldier? You got a gun? You got a gun.
I'm ready.
Colby's ready. Keegan's ready. Let's get it out. What?
4, 5, 6, 7. You can ask myself, he goes, did you guys just call it?
Yep, that's it.
That's it.
Do you even count, bro?
It's a 3, it's okay.
I only saw 3 over to the right.
Oh, you're blind. Did you look on the left?
Well, there's 3 on the right.
How many are on the left?
It's 100% the only 3.
Yep.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 over here. 8, 9, 10. There's 2 missing.
Where are those 2?
I filleted them and ate them.
They're pretty thin already.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's how you make jerky.
Cook faster.
What do you think, bub? You comfy down in there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get my call thing on.
Call him.
I am.
Call. Call him.
They're circling.
Stop, stay. Stay. Coming back. Oh, they turned. Keep calling. They're coming.
They're coming right over us.
Call. Call. Stay.
I don't see them. They're going the other way.
What don't they like?
they turn right, I'm gonna be so pissed. Or like,
They're right. They're coming right at us.
don't call, don't do nothing. What did I just say?
Shut it.
Are they low?
Yeah.
Stay. Those are kind of high. I think we should shoot.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just take them.
Take them when they get over us.
Hang on. Hang on.
No.
No.
That's so far.
It is, but we gotta try. We gotta try. They weren't coming.
Don't.
I don't see them, so they're talking to me.
Move to the left.
They're coming in here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Fucking low as shit.
Committed. Committed.
Yeah.
GoPro on.
They landed at the end of the fucking field.
Stay. Stay.
Don't. I'm getting up.
Stay.
Good chasing.
Stay. What do we got?
They're in the field.
4 of them are in the field.
They landed way left.
They landed.
In our field.
Yep.
They're on the ground.
They're on the ground. I can see them
In the cornfield.
in the cornfield.
Come on.
Like 80 yards to our left.
Leave them. Live decoys. Come on. Why did they land over here?
Going for the old spot and stuff. Is it blinking?
Yep.
It's on.
Yeah, like we're gonna do this right here.
Side by side, not front to back.
The old spot and stock. The old spot and stock. So right over this hill. They're gonna be right down on the bottom of it. Try not to step on anything. Is that them in the fields right there? We have about like 50, 75 yards. Is that them right there? I think that's right. So if we can get to the where the field meets the cornfield, right in front of us. Yeah, that's them right there. Just take it nice and slow. They can see us, I think. The crazy thing is if they're the Lakeland geese, they're not gonna move. They keep going forward. Let's just stay on this dry stuff right here. Yeah. Just stay. Right there. Hey, I see him. Right here. We gotta get closer. Damn it. This is gonna be tough. We're fine. Just move slow. They're facing away from us now, though. Yeah. There's one on the right, though, that's sideways. Kind of. The old geese spot and stock. We're almost there. If we get down now, that's it. Yeah, we're good, we're good. We just need to keep moving. Fuck. Just get down there and fly over us. Should we run that way? It clicked. Clicked. Oh. Fuckers.
They were too far.
They're still like 80 yards when they seen us.
Oh, dude, there's a group right coming at us.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Get your dog. Dog, go.
There's a group in the sun right now.
Come.
They were in the next field.
Get over here.
And we ran out of
Come here. Come here. In. Get here. Right here.
I started walking.
Get
I
in
told him we need to go slower.
Come here.
Get in there, get in there, get in there.
Right here. In. Get your spot. In. Come on. In. Down. Down. Good job. Yeah. I watch you guys. That's cool.
If we would have got to the grass, we could have had it.
Yeah, if we
We're
would
in the court in the woods.
in the cut, the till field.
Where do you see the group in the dirt in the sun? There's probably the 4 that you just kicked up, you ding dongs.
No. This is a different group behind them.
I can hear them.
That's the group of 4. I was hoping they were going to go right over you.
I was like waiting.
I'm hot.
Should we run at them?
He was running to the right. I'm like, what are you doing?
Gonna get them. I was hoping that they were gonna like flare up from the house and come back towards us.
I was hoping they could circle over me.
Ah, fuckers.
Are you kidding me?
What the fuck? Fucking airplane. Well, that's all she wrote. We're loaded up. Not a dang thing. She's not flying yet. Guess we'll have to see what happens next time. Peace.